Polyglot, one who can speak many languages. Theist, a person who believes in God. Atheist, a person who does not believe in God. Skeptic, a person who doubts everything. Autobiography, a life history written by oneself. Biography, a life history written by someone else. Philanthropist, a person who loves mankind. Misanthrope, a person who hates mankind. Bibliophile, the one who loves books. Archaeologist, one who studies ancient remains. Somnambulist, a person who walks in sleep. Extempore, a speech delivered without preparation. Glutton, a person who eats too much. Zoo, a place where animals are kept. Teetotaler, a person who never drinks alcohol. Illegible, a handwriting that cannot be read. Plutocracy, government by the rich. Democracy, government by the people. Soliloquy, a speech made to oneself.